be a bit of a different video on this channel. I am doing, as you've probably seen from the title and probably the thumbnail too, I'm doing a rum subscription box. I've never done this before. Never bought a subscription box. I've never bought random rums before. But here we are. I love rum, essentially. I don't drink very often, but I do love rum. It's been my drink of choice since about 2015, I think. And I love it. I love a dark rum that you can just drink with no mixers. I'm not a fan of mixers. I can't find a mixer that I like. If you drink rum, let me know what mixers you choose. But I don't really like cheap rums either, I've realised now. I did find some rum brands I really do like. One of them is sadly gone now. I only just found it. And another one I really like as well, called Discarded Peel Rum, I think it is, like banana peel rum. That's really good. I really like that. And Dead Man's Fingers rum. Great. But that's not what we're talking about today. Today we are doing a subscription box for rum. Called the Little Rum Box. Ooh, it's going to be shiny, it's going to be catching my light. Also, apologies for the lighting and also the angle. I'm just dealing with what I've got right now. And this is what I've got right now. But anyway, the Little Rum Box. Look how cute this is. I've not opened it yet, I don't know what's in it. 2 bottles of rum, I believe. But yeah, look how tiny it is. It's like super cute. I'm excited. I hope it's some dark rums. Dark rum's my favourite. I do like white rum, but obviously it's better in stuff. So let's just get on with it and open it up. I have this and I have my glass. Currently I have no mixers because I don't know what I need. And I don't think I have any mixers in my house. This could be a mistake. But anyway, Little Rum Box. Super cute. Love the packaging, love the design. Let's open it on up. Ooh. Oh, so we've got some cards telling you about the rums. Okay, I'll look at that in a minute. Look how tiny. So this is, God, these are so adorable. These are going to look so nice on my bar cart. How can I show you? This is what it looks like. Look at that. Look how tiny and cute. So that's the 2 rums that you get. This is the first one. Look how adorable it is, and it's a dark rum too. Not hugely dark, but it's still a nice dark rum looking thing. Cute. Which is a coffee rum. It does look quite pale, but they did give recommendation cards. I will take pictures of these and put them on the screen somewhere wherever there's room. And they do say you can drink this neat. I do think I'm going to like this one. I do like a coffee rum, I believe. Have I had coffee rum before? I don't know. I think I'm going to like this. I don't want to drink too much of it though. I do want to put these on my bar cart. I think it'll be adorable on there. But there's that one. And then you've got this one. And I love the shape of this bottle. This bottle is really nice. Bottle? Oh my god, this light. Hold on. Hold the phone. Slightly better. Is a botanical rum. To me this looks, I mean it's not fully a white rum because it does have some colour in it, but it does look very pale. And again, I didn't think I was going to like the sound of this one, but again, going by the recommendations and ingredients, which again I'll put on the screen, it does sound very nice. And again, they say to have this neat or with Madagascar Coke. Madagascan Coke? I really like that Coke anyway. I'm not a big Coke drinker, but I do like that one. That's a good Coke to drink if you're hungover. That is a recommendation for my 16-year-old self. But yeah, I am excited to try this one too. That one does sound good, and it's a Scottish rum. Very happy with both of these. So let's pour them out, and then I'm gonna have them neat. I'm not gonna have them with any nice ice because they both do feel kind of cold, and I just go downstairs for the ice. So let's try this. That smells good. Got it on my nose. This is a botanical one. Let's just do a little like botanical. Am I too dark now? Probably. Oh, burns my nose. I can see this one being good with Coke or orange juice. But this is one I could totally drink. Hold on, I need to put this light back up again. Yeah, I could drink this one neat as well. It is very strong. It reminds me of, again, whiskey a little bit. Yeah. That's a good rum. I think I would definitely drink this one with Coke. Or probably with orange juice. I do like a rum with orange juice. This is gonna look so cute on my bar cart. Oh, I like that. That's a very good rum. I'm very happy with that. I'm not really getting, well actually, I think why it tastes a bit like whiskey to me is because in the recommendations it said that it's got a bit of a smoky taste to it. I think that's why to me it tastes a bit like whiskey. I'm not a whiskey drinker, so I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm Scottish, but I don't like whiskey. I also don't like Irn-Bru. So let's try this coffee rum. I think I'm going to really like this one. This one is a bit darker. Again, this one didn't say to drink it with any other thing. This one just said have this one neat or in a cocktail. Oh, that one's making me burp. I'm going to have to rip the label. That makes me sad. You can instantly smell the coffee. Yeah, that one smells good. Oh, keep hitting my nose. Now do I pour it in this glass? Will that taint it? I don't want to swig it out here because that feels a bit unhygienic. Let's just pour a tiny bit. The tiniest bit. Oh no, that's a good rum. If you like coffee, that is good. This one has a bit of, to me, has a bit of a burn to it. For the initial sip, had a bit of a burn, it burnt my nose a little bit, but then after the second sip it was fine. This one, the coffee one, there's no burn. I think it's a bit darker. And you don't really get any flavour initially, weirdly, and then it hits you with the coffee and then the kind of rum aftertaste. But that is good. It's good. Yeah, I could drink that one neat, for sure. I mean, I did just drink it neat. But I could honestly just drink that one. That one is nice. Look at me going back for like seconds. Thirds. I'm trying to get all the dribbles out. But yeah, that fave out of the two. I think just because this one's a bit lighter, and my palate isn't that good. That coffee one, I don't know what cocktail you could have it in. I'm not really a cocktail person, but I would just drink that one straight out. I mean, I can imagine that being, again, really nice with Coke. Like a nice Coke, not just Coca-Cola. It's like a Black Russian. That would be really nice. Yeah, that I'm really pleased with that. So that was a little rum company, the little rum box. the little rum box. Super happy with that. I really like those rums. They're so cute and small, and I think it was only £10 for two 50 centilitre bottles. Adorable. I love these. These are going to go straight in my bar cart. They might not make it to the end of the year, but how adorable. Yeah, if you like rum, 1, give me recommendations for good rum and good mixers for rum. 2, I was about to swear at you there. 2, have you ever tried any rum subscription boxes? If you have, which ones? 3, which one out of these 2 do you think you would like more? Yeah, I like doing these kind of videos now. This is the first one, but I like doing this. This was nice. This was kind of chill. If you'd like to see more of these, let me know. I probably will continue to do more of these if I continue to buy from this brand particularly, or any other brands. Yeah, just a quick little one from me. Hope you're all having a good time and a good day. See you soon.